I used to walk past cottage cheese without a second thought. Just another dairy product, right? But when I started researching what actually happens inside your body when you eat it every day, I discovered something fascinating. Your body responds to cottage cheese in ways that go far beyond simple nutrition. So let's explore exactly what's happening at the cellular level. When you eat cottage cheese, you're consuming about 12 grams of complete protein per half cup, roughly the same as Greek yogurt and nearly half of a chicken breast. But here's what makes it special. This protein is primarily casein, a slow-releasing protein that keeps your body supplied with amino acids for hours. The moment cottage cheese hits your digestive system, casein breaks down into amino acids that trigger satiety hormones, peptide, YY, and GLP-1. These hormones tell your brain you're satisfied, and this effect lasts for hours. Compare this to faster proteins like whey. While whey floods your bloodstream quickly, then disappears, casein releases slowly, maintaining elevated amino acid levels for up to 7 hours. Your muscles, organs, and immune system draw on this protein reserve throughout your day. This extended release means your metabolism stays active, your muscle tissue has continuous building materials, and your hunger hormones remain balanced longer. Your bones are living tissue, constantly breaking down and rebuilding. When you eat cottage cheese daily, you supply your skeleton with critical minerals, calcium and phosphorus. A single serving delivers 14% of your daily calcium and 24% of your phosphorus needs. The casein peptides actually enhance mineral absorption in your intestines, making the calcium more bioavailable. Pair this with vitamin D, and your bones receive optimal support for maintaining density. For muscles, cottage cheese creates the perfect growth environment. The high-quality protein triggers muscle protein synthesis, where cells build new muscle fibers. Because casein digests slowly, it prevents muscle breakdown during long periods without food, especially overnight. Your body also extracts B12 for red blood cell formation, riboflavin to convert food into cellular energy, and selenium as an antioxidant protecting cells from oxidative stress. Together, these nutrients support metabolism, immune function, and energy production at the cellular level. Let's walk through what happens over a typical day. Start your morning with cottage cheese, and within 30 minutes, your blood sugar rises gently. No spike, just steady elevation. The protein slows glucose absorption, preventing rapid insulin surges. 2 hours later, while others reach for snacks, your satiety hormones remain elevated. Your stomach empties slowly, appetite stays controlled, energy remains steady. By afternoon, amino acids from morning cottage cheese have distributed throughout your body, incorporated into new proteins converted to glucose for brain fuel or supporting immune cell production. Extend this pattern over weeks and months, and your body adapts to consistent protein intake. Muscle tissue maintains itself more efficiently. Bone remodeling has steady mineral access. Your gut microbiome benefits from probiotic support. The slow digestion means fewer blood sugar crashes that drive cravings. Over time, daily cottage cheese eaters report better appetite control, more stable energy, and improved body composition. Your metabolism expects this reliable protein source, and cells become more efficient at using it. Not all cottage cheese is equal. Full-fat versions deliver more calories and fat-soluble vitamins. Low-fat versions reduce calories but may add sodium for flavor. Your body processes cottage cheese lactose more easily than milk. Culturing breaks much of it down. But sensitive individuals should watch portions. Check labels for sodium. Some brands pack 400 milliliters per serving, nearly 20% of your daily limit. Choose low-sodium options for cardiovascular health. For probiotic benefits, look for live and active cultures that support gut health and enhance nutrient absorption. Timing maximizes benefits. Breakfast cottage cheese controls morning appetite. Post-workout supports immediate muscle repair. Before bed, slow releasing casein fuels overnight recovery. Studies show up to 22% enhanced muscle protein synthesis during sleep. Pair wisely. Berries and cinnamon add antioxidants and blood sugar control. Vegetables and herbs provide fiber and phytonutrients. Whole grain toast adds complex carbs. For fitness tracking, half a cup delivers 12 grams toward protein targets. Your body thrives on variety, so rotate cottage cheese with eggs, fish, legumes, and Greek yogurt for complete amino acid and nutrient profiles. Your body is complex, and cottage cheese affects multiple systems simultaneously: muscles, bones, metabolism, and gut. The science shows clear benefits from daily habits: sustained protein delivery, improved satiety, better bone health, and enhanced muscle maintenance. But like any food, it works best as part of balanced nutrition. Listen to your body, choose quality products, and experiment with timing and pairings. The changes might be subtle at first, but over weeks and months, your body will show you the difference. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.